Hello everyone, friends and I are heading to Lake Tahoe, which is about 3 hours northeast of San Francisco, for the weekend starting today. Hopefully we'll get some snow, but according to the weather forecast, it's highly unlikely. But what I am excited about is testing out my GoPro Hero 8 along with the new media mod as my primary vlogging, actually my only vlogging camera for the weekend. Now there are a few unboxing and microphone testing vlogs out there on YouTube already, so this video is not going to be one of those. I've tested out the GoPro Hero 8 by itself already on one of my Vlogmas videos, to which I will link up to this video. And it came out pretty decent, but I just have to get used to using the GoPro again because the last GoPro I owned was the 3. My setup includes the GoPro Hero 8, the GoPro Media Mod, Ulanzi 6800 milliamp power bank grip, and Ulanzi MT08 extension pole tripod. Alright, I'm just gonna make a quick run to Starbucks to pick up a small breakfast and head out to meet up with friends. So we are now at Costco picking up some provisions for the weekend.
I mean, they took it home. Yeah, they were, I mean, they ate it and then that was it. How many? Where's the other one? Never mind. I'm not gonna say it.
What?
It was on the text, but never mind.
Here we go. We are at San Ramon, which is the city next over to where we started, to pick up some more breakfast snacks. Alright, so we have stopped by North Highland, is that right? For lunch. East Sacramento. So we're how far from Lake Tahoe?
From our place, about 2 hours.
2 hours. We keep stopping for food. And we are at Sol Cubano. We are now in our lodging, and it's a 3-story apartment. So let me show you around. This is the loft. This is the first bathroom, a single bedroom. This is the kitchen, your living room, dining room. The front door, closets. I believe this is one of these are the bathroom closets. Oh, just kidding. This is the bathroom. Those are just the closets. The 3rd bedroom and the 4th bedroom.
So one thing you'll never see, guys, on any cooking networks, people washing their hands after they touch meat. And this guy does. Rule number 1, wash your hands with soap. Don't let them fool you washing their hands and not cleaning it.
And what are you cooking?
I am making traditional Filipino spaghetti. But on a healthy scale, because I'm using turkey and not pork. Just because I'm watching my cholesterol here. Although it's low, it's at 120.
How's your weight now? Remember, we made a bet.
Yeah, I lost.
Oh, are you taking your
So once your sauces are all mixed in, bay leaves.
Any preference on what you want me to open right now?
And here I have basil and oregano.
Anybody?
Bam it up, you know? And then season as you go again, you know? Add a little salt, Shazam.
Can I please have shoes?
No juice. Drink water. Water. A little salt.
Instruct everybody.
Maybe enough pepper because there's a lot of kids here. We're going spicy. And then you mix it in, and then you know, let it simmer. Call it a day. You have a nice ragu going on.
There's paper towels here.
Yeah, and if we need more, we can ask for it. Why?
So I'm gonna make garlic bread now. I had a sous chef, but she dropped the ball on everything apparently. So
I'm back.
we're gonna get some butter. Ideally, you want it melted, but honestly, softened is fine as well. So first things first, you slice the bread, then you unwrap the butter, as so. And honestly, you know, people will do melted butter, but you don't have to do melted butter because it's gonna go straight into the, you guessed it, oven, right? So just put a little stick here, a little stick there, right? And that's all you need. Boom, bam.
Question. Where's the garlic?
Wait.
I want to
Obviously, she's one of the annoying students in class who keep raising their questions, asking questions without the teacher finishing her sentence.
I'm just here for a taste testing.
So butter,
With
and let's
my
get to the garlic. So here I have garlic salt. Trick of the trade, need a little salt. Do not over salt. Oh,
Yay!
A+.
I'm listening.
Nice. So a little pinch.
No, I want to see the Turkish one where you go choo, where you throw it.
So I didn't clean my elbows today. So remember, always clean your hands. Correct. Boom. So you just repeat that for all the bread and you'll be all set. So I made a big mistake, or big error. I forgot my spaghetti in the garage while I was leaving. So while we wait for the wifey to go buy some spaghetti, we'll make a little appetizer right now. Got some shrimp, tail on, peeled, because who likes peeling shrimp, right? So ideally you want to drain all that juice, right? Let's drain that juice. As so. And of course, like every good chef, wash your hands with soap and dry it. All right, drain. So let's get, I don't know, what do you think, guys? Half a pound maybe? Shrimp?
Will you have enough for the pesto?
Oh yeah, I got 4 pounds of shrimp,
Okay,
guys.
we're good.
Yeah. What do you guys
Appetizers
think?
it is.
Boom. Bam. As Emerald will say, right?
What's yours?
Mine?
Yeah.
No, I don't have one yet. Yeah.
Yeah, you do have that. Caca! Reminds us Bangkok, Thailand, all over again.
All right. Shoot. I guess I do have to wash my hands again. Because I gotta get some shrimp, some salt and garlic on here.
Oh yeah.
So wash really well. And then dry, of course.
Sous chef takes a break.
So sous chef did one thing and it's time for a 20-minute break, of course. I like that. Man, my sous chef knows how to work, man. She is good.
Dang,
She
don't
is
go
good.
into Keisha's kitchen.
She
He's
is
gonna talk
good.
some inch.
All right. So since we are going to slightly pan fry this, you want to season it really, really well. A little garlic salt and then a little
What are you looking at?
pepper. It's on my YouTube channel, Kira.
Where's your
That's my daughter behind. Who just said awkward. She also has a YouTube channel. So,
3 feet? 3 or 4?
and then we'll get a spoon and we'll mix it up.
Nah, next? Avery, you're next. You're next.
So one thing I did not show you guys yet is I have a pan with a little bit of canola oil on medium heat right now, which should be ready for the shrimp. If you guys do want to kick it up a notch, you guys can put breadcrumbs and put a little decoration on the shrimp. Boom. And spread it out really well, that way it all cooks at the same time. It's probably going to be about 30 to 40 seconds on each side. And serve on a nice plate and you're done. Woo! Fatality. Fatality.
Let's put basil in there?
Of course.
Nice.
Okay, go into, is that enough?
Put a little more.
Day 2. What is that?
Okay, it's good.
Good?
Yeah.
What's that?
Spaghetti, that's our dinner.
Where's the one that
There's another noodle.
Oh.
Shrimp pasta.
So if you guys want more sauce, there's more sauce.
What are you doing?
No, I just spread those sauce instead of
Are you gonna mix it?
All right, for the next meal, we're gonna make pesto with shrimp and penne noodles. So we have our penne. We have our water boiling pretty soon. We are gonna have our hot pan for our shrimp. Simple, easy dinner in 15 minutes. Once the water's boiling, we're gonna put the penne in there for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. Get a hot pan full with maybe 5 tablespoons of oil. Put 2 pounds of shrimp in there. Once the shrimp is cooked, put the penne. Put the basil pesto from Costco because it's pre-made and it's delicious. You don't have to do much other than maybe add a little pepper and you're done. And bon appetit.
Taste test for the Keyshore spaghetti. Taste test.
Nothing beats the Evelyn spaghetti. Nothing beats your mom's spaghetti. That's the party surprise.
Oh, I need more sauce.
Go get more sauce. It's on the stove.
I need more sauce. All right, so more sauce.
Kira, look, come here.
Not quite Filipino, but not definitely not Italian either.
Go downstairs. Go downstairs to mommy real quick.
What makes it Filipino is the sweetness and supposed to be hot dogs in here. But this is good. Are you making your crepe on this trip? Are you making? Oh!
I can open the door. Yeah, that's on.
How did that happen to my house? Dang, the firefighters were there right away, let me tell you.